Hello! So I wanted to make another really quick video because I'm getting a lot of questions, and I figured that most of you have the same questions, and I want to make sure that you all know what you're doing because obviously that's really important. So the first thing, I just want to go over the basics of the program. So you guys have your eating plan. This is key. I made another video about this. I'm not sure if everyone watched it, but maybe I left out some things. Okay. So you guys should know, you use this to figure out what your calorie intake should be, and based on that, you would figure out which of these containers to which bracket you're in. In other words, okay, so let me explain this. So let's say you're in this bracket. You must eat all of these in one day. One day. Okay. I know a lot of you this is very different for you, a different way of eating. And I know you may miss some containers or something, but the whole idea is that you have to get everything in. The easiest way to go about this is to plan. If you guys have a Android phone or if you have a iPhone, you can look up 21 Day Fix apps and you can use those to help you, plan out your day. And so I completely suggest those. Anyway, so in this case, you should have 3 green a day, 2 purple, 4 red, 2 yellow, 1 blue, 1 orange, and 2 teaspoons. The teaspoons are not optional. You need to be having all this. The teaspoons actually, honestly, can just be when you're cooking something, I think. Because, you would cook something in oil normally. I'm going to the page. Yeah, so for teaspoons, we're talking olive oil, coconut oil, flaxseed, all the oils, the nut butters. It's easy to get your teaspoons in. Add them in your Shakeology. Drop in a teaspoon of peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, whatever you want. Pumpkin seed butter, all of these butters. Just add them in your Shakeology. That's the easiest way if you don't want to obviously eat a spoonful of peanut butter, which I think would be yummy. But anyway, okay, so there's that idea. There's something else I wanted to go over. Okay, so you guys understand that you're supposed to do the workouts. 30 minutes a day, every single day, get it done. Like I said, it helps if you have a calendar and you literally take your calendar, put workout at this time, and you make sure it happens. Even if it's super late at night, super early in the morning, maybe you can wake up earlier, maybe you can go to bed later, I'm not sure. But just try your best to make it happen. It's only 21 days that you have to really, do your best with this program. I mean, you can do it for more than 21 days, but the whole idea here is we're getting you a good start in this 21 days. Okay, you have these zings. Now, the zings are free foods. There's a bunch of free foods you can have, like hot sauce and all these spices and stuff. Read over this stuff. Make sure you read the zings. Tasty beverages. There's another page on there, replacement containers. You have treats. I want to talk about that. Okay. Treats and Shakeology. Please make sure you're drinking water. I talked about this before. Do it. Another thing. Treats. I'm getting to the page. Okay. Replacement food groups. Now, so when you have your Shakeology, you must drink it with water unless you decide to use up one of your yellow containers. So, also I want to talk about this. Now, your Shakeology cup. When we're talking about using things like the almond milk or whatever, looking at this page, it'll tell you, see, these are the options you have. You can only replace a yellow 3 times a week. It's like having a treat because we don't want you to have all this sugar and crap. I mean, these things aren't really bad. It's just for the purposes of this, don't do this. So 3 a day, and that's, hold on, it says in addition to your tasty beverages. In addition to this, you can have these. Okay? 3 times a week. I'm sorry, I think I said day. 3 times a week is what I meant. Okay? So let's say you wanted coconut water with your Shakeology. You would fill this up to 16 ounces, like it says right. It says on here 16 ounces. Fill it up to 16 ounces. That's how much you can have. Pour it into your blender. Blend up. You're good to go. So, yes, have your Shakeology with water unless you go for using some other type of beverages. But you can only do it with milk or something 3 times a week. Now, your treats, this idea is here. Let's say you want the dried fruit medley. You would put the dried fruit medley in your orange container. You can't really see that. But in your orange container, you would put this in there. But it counts as a yellow. Okay? So you would just check off a yellow, but you actually ate it out of an orange. Okay? Yeah. So you do get to have those treats, which is really nice. I hope you understand that. If you have any more questions, let me know. I think I was pretty clear about it, but if not, that's okay. Now, these are some seasoning mixes. I would honestly just make like a crap ton of these and like put them in like little containers or something because they're amazing. I love the Southwestern seasoning. Yes. I love Mexican though, so it's amazing. Anyway, so go with that. Another thing, what was I going to say? Salt. We talked about salt. Sea salt, it's actually on here. I didn't realize this until I just looked. But sea salt is on here. Sea salt is fine. Don't overdo it. Don't make your food really salty. We don't need all that sodium in our lives. Okay? So sea salt is good. Pink Himalayan salt, I've never heard of it. I mean, I've heard of it because of this, but like I've never used it, so I have no idea. But apparently the pink Himalayan salt is really salty, so you need less of it or something. I don't know. So we want unprocessed salt. Okay? There's other recipes and stuff in here. You can check those out. Go for it. It helps make big batches of this stuff and then just measure with your containers. Like I said, it'll take a little bit for you to get used to this because it's different. But it works, man. It's freaking awesome. Like just doing it one day, it's amazing. Okay, I think that covers all the questions. This is a 6-minute long video now. I apologize in advance, but please watch it. Please watch. I mean, obviously, if you're here already, you're watching. So thank you for watching. Yay. Okay, love you guys. Have an awesome journey with this. Yeah, we're going to rock it. Get those awesome results in 21 days. You guys have got this. Get your workouts done. Keep going. Keep moving. Do the modifications. Yes. Okay. Bye.